Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to switch OBS from landscape to vertical portrait mode. This is perfect if you're creating content for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts where vertical video is the standard format. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your OBS application on your computer. Once OBS launches and you can see your main interface, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see a menu bar with several options. Click on File to open a drop-down menu, and from there, select Settings. This will open a new window where you can configure all aspects of your OBS setup, including the video format we're about to change. In the settings window that appears, look at the left panel. You'll notice several categories listed vertically. Click on Video to access the video configuration options. This section controls everything related to your canvas size, resolution, and frame rate, which are crucial for switching between landscape and vertical formats. Now, in the main panel on the right, you'll see an option labeled Base Canvas Resolution. This determines the overall dimensions of your recording or streaming canvas. Right beside it, you'll see a text field displaying your current resolution. Click on this text field and clear whatever's there. Then type 1080 x 1920. This resolution is the standard for vertical portrait video and ensures your content will look perfect on mobile devices. Below that, you'll see another option called Output Scaled Resolution. This controls the final resolution of your exported video. Right beside it, you'll find a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down menu and select 1080 x 1920 from the available options. This ensures that both your canvas and your output match the vertical format, giving you consistent results when you record or stream. Next, navigate to Common FPS Values. This setting determines how smooth your video will appear. Right beside it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it and select 60 FPS from the list. This frame rate provides smooth, high-quality motion that's ideal for most content types, especially gaming or fast-moving footage. Finally, to save all these changes, look at the bottom right corner of the settings window. Click Apply to confirm your new settings, and then click OK to close the settings window and return to your main OBS interface. Your OBS is now configured for vertical portrait recording, and that's it. You've successfully switched OBS from landscape to vertical portrait mode, making it ready for all your mobile-first content creation. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.